We went to GRD museum, and in that we explored more games and we saw more types of fishes, and we explored more things there, and we saw more rockets, and this is gonna be the best field trip forever. Signing off, Tips Globe Educate Karur with a beautiful memory. Thank you.